Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Mr. Bart over here at Custom Made Barber School here in Jacksonville. And today's video is about regulatory agencies in barbering, okay? In the United States, regulatory agencies are government or quasi-governmental bodies that oversee the practice of barbering to ensure public safety, maintain professional standards, and protect consumers. These agencies are typically part of the state's Department of Professional and Occupational Regulations. All right, now in Florida, we call them the Department of Business and Professional Regulations, which is the DBPR. Now, the role of regulatory agencies are licensing, setting standards, enforcement, oversight of schools, and public safety. All right, now another example of regulatory agencies would be the Florida Department of Health, also the CDC, which is the Center for Disease Control. We have the EPA, which is the Environmental Protection Agency. Also, you have the OSHA, which is the Occupational Safety and Health Administration. Thank you guys for watching.